Did you know construction workers in Berlin found something that should have been impossible? In 2009, a crew was digging foundations for a new apartment building when their excavator broke through concrete. Below was a hidden bunker, perfectly sealed since World War II. Inside, they found Nazi uniforms, documents, and equipment that looked brand new. But the living quarters showed signs of recent use. Fresh food, clean bedding. Then they heard footsteps. An elderly man emerged wearing a complete SS uniform, speaking perfect modern German. He claimed he'd been hiding there since 1945, but knew about current events, recent politics, even new technology. The workers were terrified. How could someone survive 64 years underground? How did he know about things that happened decades after the war ended? Within hours, German authorities arrived and classified everything. The man disappeared into an undisclosed facility. The bunker was demolished within 3 days. No official records exist of what they found down there.